Hello loves, it's Ada's Recipes with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a simple fondant birthday cake for beginners. So if you're an absolute beginner in the world of cake decoration, this video is for you. So continue watching as I share with you guys. So here we have a cake. So this is the cake you're going to decorate. So what you're going to do is to level the top, by removing some cake excesses. Then you brush off the crumbs. So next you seal the crumbs with margarine. Okay, this is very important. To enable the fondant, we are going to cover the cake with lap very well. As you guys can see, we've finished rubbing margarine all over the cake. So next we have our fondant. So this fondant has stayed for 24 hours. I have a video on how to make fondant. Okay, so check it out. I'll also be leaving the cards at the end of the video. So make sure you soften your fondant. You're making fondant cake, okay, for absolute beginners. So if you've not decorated cake before, this video will be of help. So spread the fondant with your rolling pin. Then you place it on the cake and cover the cake with the fondant. Okay. You can smoothen the cake using a smoother. So this is called smoother. Using a wheel cutter, cut off the excess. Trim off the excess with a wheel cutter. You can use a turntable to wheel this cake round if you have one. As you guys can see, we've trimmed off the edges. So continue with the smoother to smooth out the cake. And make it look good, okay? our cake is smooth. So next we have this decorating tool. Just press it on the cake to give you the design we have there. If you guys are seeing this, we have other designs. So here we have a beautiful design. Do the same thing by the side. So guys, this is our designed cake. So next we are going to color our fondant. This is baby pink color. We're going to be using pink color on our cake, okay? So this is a baby girl's birthday cake. I'm using the plates so that I will not stain a white surface, okay? So you can just do this in a separate bowl. Or a flat plate like I'm doing. So guys, this is a colored fondant. So we have different fondant cutter here. This is called wilting fondant cutter. We have different shapes. If you guys are seeing this, so they come in 3. We have the biggest and down to the smallest, okay? So you can use this to come up with different designs on your fondant cake. This is absolutely amazing. Hope you guys are seeing this. So we are going to use this very small one to give our cake a beautiful border. And here we have the alphabet cutter, the 26 alphabet cutter. So we are going to spread out a colored fondant. Then we're going to cut out this shape. We're going to be using this for a border, for a cake border, okay? You can just be creative with this. So I'm using this particular size and design. Hope you guys have seen the cutouts here. We're going to be using it for a cake border. And as you guys can see, I'm using water to stick it to the cake. Just little water. If you guys are seeing a border, isn't this beautiful? You can just be creative with your cutter. So this is how our cake is looking like. So you can cut out your alphabet like we cut out the border, and I'm putting a toothpick because I want to stand the alphabet on the cake, okay? You can as well place it on the cake You can place the writings on the cake or the cutouts on the cake, but I prefer doing it this way. Hope you guys are seeing this. So I'm standing it. That's why I had to put a toothpick to give us what we want. So this is what we came up with. I also cut out some designs with the bigger part of the cutter. So you can use the wilting fondant cutter to come up with different designs, like be creative with it, okay? Use little water to stick it to the cake, like so. So this is absolutely cake decoration for beginners. Hope you guys are seeing this. Just stick it to the cutout, like be creative. This is where your creativity comes into play. So our cake is almost set, as you guys can see. Yeah guys, this is our cake. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.